Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to clear your RAM cache in Windows 11 to make your system faster and smoother. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. First, let's take a look at how much cache memory your PC is currently using. Click on the search icon at the bottom, type in Task Manager, and open it. Then go to the Performance tab and select Memory. Here, you can see your cached memory. Mine is around 4.8 gigabytes. That's memory being used unnecessarily, which we can free up in just a few steps. To do this, open your web browser and search for RAMMAP, all one word. Click on the official Microsoft link and download the tool. Once downloaded, open your downloads folder, locate the zip file, and extract it. Then double-click rammap.exe to launch the program. Make sure to read and accept the software license terms, and it will open shortly. With RAMMap open, you can place it side by side with Task Manager to see the impact in real time. At the top of RAMMap, click on Empty and then select Empty Standby List. You'll instantly notice your cached memory dropping, freeing up several gigabytes and giving your system a noticeable boost. And that's it. Clearing your RAM cache is a simple, safe way to optimize Windows 11 without restarting your computer. If this guide helped you speed up your PC, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.